This screencast will provide an overview of the new AI-assisted search feature in CINAHL. You can access this feature by navigating to the basic search page in CINAHL by clicking here and toggling on the AI-assisted search option. Once the feature is turned on, you can search the database using natural language. For example, I can type in, "Does singing decrease the feeling of social detachment among residents of aged care facilities?" Based on this query, the database will generate a search that uses key terms and Boolean operators and retrieve results based on the generated search. Let's take a look at the results. As you can see here, it's retrieved 6 total results. If you'd like to know what's happening on the back end, you can click on Show Refined Query. This way, you can see the different Boolean operators and key terms that it's come up with. Once you've run an AI-assisted search, you can also copy the search that's been generated into the search box and add it to your linking. So here, if I wanted to adjust the search to include truncation, I could turn off the AI-assisted search option, copy it into the search bar, and make adjustments as I see fit. In this case, I may adjust the search to look something more like this. As you can see, my refined search has simplified some concepts, added truncation, and inserted quotation marks where necessary. If you hit search, you can see that this version retrieves 28 total results. The searches generated by the AI Assistant feature should not be relied upon to be perfect or comprehensive on their own. You may notice errors in searching, such as not using quotation marks, or inconsistencies with the same question producing new search strategies on each attempt. That said, they can be useful to quickly find a few articles on a topic and can also be a helpful starting point off of which to build more complex searches. If you have any further questions on this, please feel free to reach out to us at ask.gerstein@utoronto.ca.